Hello kids, let us learn some shapes and color names. These are our shapes and these are our colors. Light green color, silver color, orange color, purple color, violet, yellow color, dark green color, pink color, sky blue, brown color, golden color, red color, let us draw these shapes. See the red color, this shape is cross. It is cube. It is heart. Rhombus or diamond. Smiley emoji. Rectangular frame. Let us color these shapes. Orange color, this shape is cross. It looks like addition symbol. Sky blue color, this shape is cube. Pink color, this shape is heart. Yellow color, it is rhombus or diamond. It is violet color. This shape is smiley emoji. It is green color. It is rectangular frame. Kids, let us recall the shapes and color name once again. This is cross, orange color, cube, blue color, heart, pink color, rhombus or diamond, yellow color, smiley emoji, violet color, rectangular frame, green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Keep learning.